Hello everyone, this is the Transyro Tech, which is our new tech video series, and today I'm gonna show you a DVD writer, the LG Ultra Slim Portable DVD writer. So let's see what's inside the box. So here is a mini USB cable. Here is a user manual, a quick setup guide and a disc, and here is the DVD writer. It has one mini USB port in the back and one opening button in the front. It's very easy to use, just put the mini USB ending of the cable into the DVD writer and the normal USB ending of the cable into the computer or laptop or anything. It's compatible with Windows and Mac. After that, just push the button in the front of the DVD writer, then it opens and put in CD or DVD. In 2018 a DVD writer can be very useful because most of the new laptops doesn't have a DVD reader. This LG is a good choice because it looks nice, it's easy to use and it's not expensive. Its price is about $30. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel for more tech and RC videos.